What's up, guys? We're here in Tulsa today visiting Sawyer Manufacturing. These guys are one of our partners and they are supplying a huge gift basket for prize winners at our National Senior Welding Competition coming up April 13th. Also, March 29th is the last day to register online for our Senior Welding Competition. Now, you can register in person at KWI, but this week, March 29th, is the last day to register online for our Senior Welding Competition. Come out April 13th, compete, and also win prizes from Sawyer Manufacturing. These guys make pipe beveling machines, pipe tools, everything related to the welding industry. These guys have it available for you at our welding competition as prizes. See you there. Get registered.